Wujie by Ling Hui. Ling Chen, Zhang Huang, and Jian families, 5 surnames build bonds called Wujie, fertile land, where nature's gifts are sweet, a wonderful place where excellent people meet. A poem by Ling Hui. Behind me is a huge red arch bridge. It's called Lizhejian Bridge. I am in Wujie Township, Yilan. Every summer, it holds an annual Children's Folks Games Festival. The festival has many water activities. Can you hear the screams here and there? This is definitely the liveliest place in Taiwan during the summer. Dongshan River Water Park. I'm going to show you the latest activity, flying over Dongshan River on zipline. Are you excited? Wujie, here I come! According to the local elders, 5 families, the Lin, Chen, Zhang, Huang, and Jians, reclaimed the land together. Wujie stands as a symbol of their unity. The township is also at the mouth of Dongshan River. Its low-lying land has many waterways. The first place we're visiting is the Dongshan River Water Park. Every corner displays ideas of connecting with water and nature. Let's experience the latest activity, flying across the Silver River. I'm at the part of the park where all the screams are the loudest, flying across the Silver River. Here you can overlook the entire Dongshan River. Oh, I'm so nervous.
Lean back as far as possible. In 3, 2, 1, go! In 3, 2, 1, go!
Oh, it's so beautiful! I feel reborn. I've never flown over the river before. I was so nervous that I closed my eyes, but I also enjoyed the scenery from a different angle. In the early years, the river flooded a lot. The government and local worked together to turn the river into an artistic international water park for people to connect with the water and nature. The annual Children's Folk Games Festival is also a favorite memory for many people in Taiwan. What do we do in Dongshan? Of course, water activities. Let's go! The Dongshan River Water Park is a top attraction in Wujie. Every summer, it holds the Children's Folk Games Festival. Here, you can enjoy the scenery of the river. I think it's a great attraction for adults and children alike. You can spend the whole day here. Wujie Township is at the mouth of Lanyang River and Dongshan River. The location creates a unique fishing ground rich in whitebaits. Whitebaits are small but rich in high-quality, low-fat protein, such as omega-3, which can improve cardiovascular health. They also have unsaturated fatty acids, vitamin B, calcium, phosphorus, iron, and so on. They are great for the skeletal, cardiovascular, nervous, and the immune system. The fish is also easy to chew. Compared with the medium and large fish, it is suitable for people of all ages. The tourism factory serves a special feast of whitebaits. It also shows how the fish are classified and processed. Let's take a look at the magical charm of whitebaits. Oh, there's so many whitebaits here.
Yes.
How many kilograms are there?
About 20 to 30.
Then how many do you process in a day?
We process up to 1,000 kilograms.
Oh, wow. What are they doing?
They are picking and weighing the fish and then packaging them.
Oh. Are the fish picked by size?
No, we pick out foreign objects among the fish.
Oh, foreign objects.
You can't see them, but there are many foreign objects. Here, for example, transparent strings, grass, or fish as big as this.
No, this is not whitebait.
Basically, we'd pick out inedible things.
Oh, wow. You're so good. Can I try?
Yes, but first, disinfect your hands with alcohol.
Okay. All right. You're going to have to teach me.
Use your chopsticks to spread the fish gently. Look at this. It is not edible. Pick it up, put it in the bowl.
Whoa, you've got sharp eyes.
Yes, you can give it a try.
Okay, I found one.
Yes.
Can you see the little crab?
It's inedible.
How long does this take?
They mostly work for the whole day, so their eyes are sharp. Very sharp.
Yeah, and they can't be nearsighted.
Yes, they need to take care of their eyes.
How do you take care of your eyes?
Eat fish. Yes, eat fish.
Eat more fish, I see.
Yes.
You have to pick out every foreign object.
Yes. Spreading the fish is not enough because foreign objects may be covered. So you have to...
Flip the fish.
Yes.
Then how does it take to check all of this?
They can finish in about 10 minutes.
Only 10 minutes?
Otherwise, how can we process more than a ton in a day?
Well, it'll probably take me a day.
Practice makes perfect.
Yilan's coastline is 106 kilometers long. The Black Current flows through like an oceanic highway. Wujie Township sits at the center of the bay. Fish caught around the township can be delivered here for processing within 10 minutes. The fishing tourism factory, now run by the fourth generation, works hard to preserve the family's fishing spirit while offering delicious seafood to people in Taiwan.
We are in the Zhe Industrial Zone in Wujie Township. In northern Yilan, you'll find Daxi and Wushi Fishing Harbor, while in the south there is Nanfang Ao Fishing Harbor. We are in the center of the bay, so the catch from all the fishing harbors can be shipped to the factory quickly.
I have a question that has been bothering me. What kind of fish are whitebaits?
They are transparent in the ocean, but they turn white when cooked. Many people say they're reluctant to buy the white fish. They prefer the gray ones.
Oh, really?
Actually, the gray fish are just grown whitebaits. The patterns on their body have appeared. We call them tiny dried fish at the traditional market. Some people call them yaoabo. Whitebaits are mainly the fry of blue anchovy, gold anchovy, and Japanese anchovy.
Oh, when fishermen catch the fish in nets, how do they know which fish are whitebaits?
Whitebaits gather in schools. They are caught with 2 fishing boats towing a net as wide as 10 tour buses. The holes are huge in the beginning, about 120 centimeters wide, and then they shrink to 60 centimeters and as thin as a gauze in the end. Why are the holes so big at the beginning? To let the bigger fish escape.
Oh, so the fish left are the tiny ones.
Yes.
When all the small fish are eaten, they won't grow into big fish? Will this have any impact on the ocean?
They are indeed small fish, but anchovies can reproduce quite quickly. We also stop catching them for 3 months in both summer and winter, and we keep track of the total amount we catch, so people can enjoy fresh catches every year. We are fish processors. We care about the issue more than anyone.
Yes, marine ecosystem sustainability.
Besides whitebaits, we also offer a lot more fish products to customers. We use more eco-friendly fishing methods to develop products. The same goes for mullet roe, deep-fried capelin, and flying fish roe. As long as there's proper control, there won't be any problem.
The squid is so fresh. Is it raw?
No, when we prepared it, we blanched it for 15 seconds with that large pot to make it firm. Next, when you turn the handle, try to turn as slowly as possible because when we increase the pressure, water squirts out easily.
Oh. I'm going to press it. Oh,
Okay, turn as slowly as possible.
doesn't it sound like the squid is screaming? It's like filming a horror movie. Ah! It stopped screaming, so it means it's well done. Are we ready? Da da da! Whoa, it was so thick, and now it's so thin. It smells good. It's hard to imagine that after 40 seconds of steaming, the squid turns out like this. Okay. Let's give it a try. Oh, it tastes different from what I expected.
Right.
I thought it would be like dried shredded squid, like lots of chewing, but it's actually as crispy as a cookie. I like it a lot. It's perfect to go with a drink and share with friends. You'll finish the whole thing in no time. In less than a minute, the squid was turned into a piece of crispy snack. The factory also serves a variety of delicacies, such as a special feast of whitebaits and more. Shi He Aquatic Development uses the new technology to turn the flavor of the sea into unforgettable delicacies. The delicacies of Wujie not only come from the sea. Now, let's step into the boundless rice fields to explore tasty dishes from the land.